Well, guys, before I go and finish my vacation, since I'm back home, we're going to go to the lake. I could not help myself. I could not do it. I had to come out here and put 2 on, and then we'll save the other 2 for videos, and then we're going to get going on the engine. So, this is just a quick one for you guys, just a little teaser. This thing is coming together. It will be a roller, I don't know, maybe tomorrow or Monday. Not sure, but then we'll work on the engine after that. So, look how high that sucker's gonna sit. It's gonna be sick. I don't know if that, I know video doesn't do it justice, so hang tight. Video don't do it justice, but I know what I can do. Video don't do it justice, so I'm 6'2". So if this gives you any inkling of how high you're gonna be sitting up here, yeah. Okay, guys, I was so excited I couldn't wait, and I'm not gonna make this a fancy edit or anything like that. So, okay, have at it.